Fifth Third Secured Credit Card Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. The Fifth Third Secured Credit Card is designed for individuals with limited or damaged credit histories looking to rebuild or establish credit. Its core feature is its secured nature, requiring a minimum security deposit of $300, which acts as your credit limit up to a maximum of $5,000. This deposit is held by Fifth Third and is refundable upon account closure in good standing, meaning you've consistently made on-time payments. Unlike some secured cards, Fifth Third's doesn't offer rewards or cash back on purchases, focusing instead on credit building. One key strength is its potential for transitioning to an unsecured card. After demonstrating responsible credit behavior, Fifth Third may automatically graduate you to an unsecured credit card, returning your security deposit. Another advantage is the FDIC insurance on your security deposit, providing peace of mind. Reporting to all three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, is crucial for credit building, and Fifth Third confirms this reporting. A primary weakness is the lack of rewards, making it less appealing if you're looking to earn while you spend. The APR tends to be on the higher side, typical for secured cards, so avoid carrying a balance to maximize credit building and minimize interest charges. Also, the limited credit limit tied directly to your deposit can be restrictive. It's best suited for individuals who can afford the security deposit and are committed to responsible credit management. Other secured cards may offer rewards, while some unsecured cards designed for fair credit might be obtainable depending on your specific credit profile, so comparison is crucial. Fifth Third Secured Card is a solid, no-frills option that focuses directly on credit improvement, especially for those who already bank with Fifth Third, but its limitations necessitate careful consideration of alternatives to ensure it aligns with your financial needs and spending habits before applying. The possibility of graduating to an unsecured card is a major draw. Remember, responsible use, keeping your credit utilization low and paying on time, is the key to success with any credit card, particularly secured ones.